What's up, guys? Check out this really nice travel backpack. This is a really spacious backpack and it's just perfect for like work days or even like a weekend getaway. Let me show you how spacious this is. It just has so many compartments in it. The zippers on here are really nice. They zip really well, just really smooth on here. Now this is the main compartment in here. You just open this up. This is just great. You can put all your clothes in here. So if you're going away for the weekend and just want to pack all your stuff, this is a great place for it. Just keeps it all nice and secure. It has this spot right here for your laptop, just the Velcro strap to keep it in there. And this is really well padded too. So it's going to keep that laptop nice and secure. Another spot in here, that'd be great for like your charger. It does have some more pockets. These front pockets here, this is like the second biggest compartment here. This is great. You can store like a really large water bottle in here. There's just so much room in this second pocket too. Do have some tools. You're able to fit in the top pocket here. Like I said, just really spacious. It does have a nice little organization spot right here just to keep like your pencils or just little odds and ends that you may need to bring with you throughout the day. The outside material of this is really nice. It's a really high quality material. And what's nice about it too is it's water repellent, so it's going to help just repel the water away in like rain or snowy conditions. You can see on the side here, it does have like a mesh pocket. That'd be great to hold another water container or any other belongings that you may want to put in there. It does have a little combination lock on here too. It does have a really long pocket on the side here that's like insulated, so if you need to keep like anything cool, it'd be a great spot to put it. And then on the back here, this is where the backpack straps are. This is really nice, so when you need to tuck them away, you take this part here, just slide it over top, and you're going to zip it up. And it just tucks those backpack straps away, and it just allows you to use it as a rolling travel bag. The handle is super smooth. You just push the button in the middle, and it slides up. There's a couple different positions for you, so whatever height you are, you can just kind of adjust it to your needs. I really like the wheels on here. They're really smooth. It glides really well on the ground, and it's just really nice and convenient to have, especially when you're carrying a lot of stuff in your backpack. So overall, if you're looking for a high quality backpack that's super spacious, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.